Hello everyone. We often wonder what is blockchain and how it is going to disrupt the business as we know it. So I will try to simplify it for you. Blockchain is formally defined as the distributed and decentralized digital trust layer enabling internet of value. So when you look at internet of value, why it is unique? Today when we use internet, we transfer information. But when we want to do any transaction, we always require trusted third party. The moment we look for an ecosystem where there are no trusted third parties involved, then we will need to look at the blockchain ecosystem. So how does that work? So let's take an example. Let's say if you and your friends are playing game of cards, and let's say out of 10 friends, each and every one of you are maintaining the score not only for yourself but also for everyone else. After every round, who won that round and who lost that round. So by doing so, at the end of let's say 10th round, if somebody disputes that third round was won by me, and if majority of the people now can check their record and tell that no, the consensus can be arrived about who won that third round. By doing so, even if there are group of friends who are working together to cheat the system, if the majority of the people are having record which is saying this is not how it happened, automatically this majority of the people will overrule this small set of individuals. Now it creates a trusted environment because nobody can cheat the system. And since in blockchain everything is interconnected, everything is interlinked, when you want to change anything in the past, you need to change everything after that. This creates immutable records. Now, how blockchain will change the business as we know it? Blockchain is very useful to remove the fraud, remove number of intermediaries involved in the process. It is very useful when the number of transactions per second or throughput is low and the data is more or less static. Given these features, blockchain is already disrupting trade finance industry. It is disrupting cross-border payments where the time required is very high and the cost is also high. And there are multiple other use cases like auction, voting, and you also have trade and settlement part where blockchain is used today. Banks are also using it for invoice discounting, asset registry. Governments are using it for land registry, as well as to track the entire supply chain, which is called as a provenance. So with this, I assume you have understood very basics of what is blockchain and how it is going to change the business. Thanks.